The court heard a bail application on the accused Ayub and Anil connection with Sanvil Perez assault case. Sanvil's counsel, Siola Awaz, asked court to allow her to intervene and object to the bail of the accused. The hearing has been postponed till June 29.
The accused counsel argued that the court should not hear to opposition counsel during bail hearing. However, Siola told court that intervention is a right and accused should not get bail. Now in the next hearing, it will certain whether accused will get bail or Siola will get chance to express her stand.
This is regarding the Sanvi Perez attempt to murder case, the boy from Naveli. Everybody knows about this case. It has got a lot of limelight, and rightly so, because everybody has been able to see the CCTV footage which is forming part of the evidence. At present, no charge sheet has been filed, but the accused are in custody. And the reason being that we have in this matter intervened. That is, we as Sanvi Perez has engaged me, Siola Awaz, to intervene on his behalf. Now the bail applications of both accused Ayub and Anil Kumar were preferred prematurely before the Honorable Court, and at that point also we had opposed the bail, and by our opposition, in fact, the police custody was also increased, because we had also spoken to the police and investigating officer to seek further police custody. Today again the bail applications were taken, and again we opposed the bail applications on the ground that in this particular matter the likelihood of conviction is very high. There is not only CCTV footage, but there is a lot of corroborative evidence, and there are many other things which are going to favor a conviction in this matter. These things have to be brought before the court, and for that purpose, that is our role that we want to play before the court. Today, however, our intervention application was opposed by the accused's lawyer. Evidently, there is something to be afraid of. But even then, we are hoping, and we have argued vehemently, that the judge should allow us to intervene. So on the next occasion, that is 5 days from now, we will get to know whether we are allowed to intervene. But the good news is that for at least another 5 days, and remember that before this another 7 days had gone by. So for 7 plus 5 days, we have been able to keep the accused behind bars, and our greatest effort will be that they should remain behind bars for the longest period possible.
Sanvi and the accused had an altercation in which he was injured and arrested. Navalkars had come out against this dadagiri after that. Sandeep Toekar for Gua 365 from Margaon.